Hello all, I'm Heini Ilmarinen and I am a DevOps consultant at Polar Squad. I'm really excited for this year's PaaS Data Community Summit that will be held in November. I'm really honored to be part of the architecture track where I will be talking about Azure AD for the Azure Data Services. Why Azure AD, you might ask? But if you're working with Azure Data Services, you are bound to bump into Azure AD. And unfortunately, in most cases, that will happen when authentication isn't working. Also, there are many different data services in Azure, so it might be difficult to make sense of all the options that you have available. So in this session, I will be walking you through the different authentication options that you have for the different services, as well as how to use Azure AD to the fullest on the Azure Data Platform. So come join me and get excited about Azure AD. Make sure you register and I will see you there.